How to add profile picture on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and once you're here all you need to do just click these 3 points and then click this one, edit profile. And as you see here you can edit your profile. Now all you need to do just click on your profile and select any photo you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.